TERYX KRX H2 45-inch LED light bar installation kit, part number 99994-2124, estimated assembly time 30 minutes. Remove the 2/4 turn fasteners from the battery cover. Remove the battery cover. First, disconnect the ground C terminal from the battery. Next, disconnect the positive D battery terminal. Remove the center dash panel F by removing the 4 push rivets in the locations shown. Disconnect all switches from the center dash panel F. Remove the release pin bracket by removing the 2 bolts to allow for the removal of the passenger side panel. Remove the passenger grab handle by pulling the grab handle release pin. Disconnect the 12-volt outlet and the blue interior light found behind the passenger dash panel. Remove the passenger dash panel by removing 3 push rivets and 3 screws in the locations shown. Note: remove glove box for ease of access to the lower 2 screws. Loosely install the passenger side light mount bracket using 2 M12 flange bolts and 2 M12 spacers. Repeat for the driver's side light mount bracket. Install the light bar to the passenger and driver side light bar mount brackets. Remove the fuse from the fuse holder and leave the fuse holder cap open. Pull the harness through the passenger side ROPS hole, starting from the top and working downward. After routing the harness and fuse holder through the ROPS opening, reinstall the fuse to the fuse holder. Attach the black wire to the ground black terminal. Attach the red wire to the power red terminal. Note: attach accessory terminals under the main harness terminal to ensure the main harness boots are covering the terminal block stud. Cut out the desired switch location in the center dash panel. Thread the controller harness through the switch knockout on the center dash panel. Insert the controller into the center dash panel cutout until it snaps into place. Reinstall the passenger dash panel using the 3 screws and 3 push rivets. Reconnect the 12-volt outlet behind the passenger dash panel. Reinstall the passenger grab handle. Connect harness to controller harness. Reconnect all switches to the center dash panel. Reconnect the USB outlet to the center dash panel. Reinstall the center dash panel. Reconnect the positive battery terminal. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Reinstall battery cover. The light bar angle can be adjusted by loosening the 2 mounting bolts. Torque M10 bolt. Reinstall the rear driver side seat. Adjust the light bar by loosening the 2 M8 bolts and rotating the light bar until desired angle is achieved. Check for function. Enjoy your Kawasaki Genuine Accessory.